Or also, the no more some I told you, I don't know. Ora, or say Shaman Sabonsu, Speaker of Parliament, sorry, Majority Leader in Parliament, or say a Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. Or the two just said, Ora Abam Babin, Yao the two Muse, Unibank, and UT Bank, and some of our court, yes, I'm from Parliament in Mediano. Ora Abam Babin, I am from so. Or some from Swakasiapa, and Ora Abam Babin, yeah, so was ya two Muse, as some of our court, young from Parliament near Medi. Our Parliament, Embran son say court. I didn't say Babin, sir. Or say she mess abusu, or say, Penino, Wanyadi. Mammy, yeah, you're from the Howard Coulson. A man for say Okuta Rambo style of MP shape. What I say, I don't understand Rambo. You shall in Timbu, not a country, James, I say, no, Bosso Bernavi, was such an old Muna Kushia, Rambo star. Mammy, I think, sir. And before they bet you, almost a bra, not all born, toi. For 2020 election no abrantie bi ko san MB before banner e was Romano e ma light che abrantie no o de nyame ye na dom wangu ene ma mena ko si fie dia cha abrantie no o de che kwa eno so se ba betodwa Africa so ene ayawa so sorry ka so area however eno no na san crofo yinsam ye koso ya ubehu na alanchematin posters na pie ubehu na ba umia de na pie but when I know some catch you say book magazine be appear ya to din say Alan News no e ball and chematin wa hu dawro e ka no sem panko a che Ghana for na me say the youth for Alan and the power sa paper no e na me cheche mu che o e kan se me koso e ne o ha na flyer bin so appear okrom e ka bi ni abrande e ne atwa friends of Baumia e na ora o say chairman Sabonsu majority leader ni mfoni ni bohon unso no de he can never go without the che na che de che no opani no ensem o de atodwa ne say e wo musa paper na pie ama flyers ne de nam abonti social media car no so bi kura de abonti atwam a ehu ubetimi kura som na enso o de o kan pain any play say car no ne branding any photo e bohon no onim ho hwe the Ghana for mo ze car bi na abonti no no say chairman Sabonsu mfoni ni da ho ne atwa friends of Baumia no so hu bia bono buna bosemuka amanfo bi na de o mo adwene ebe se guna ni mu ase on talent chi and on tie Baumia so chi on the way na juma say majority leader as I speaker of friends and minister of parliamentary affairs na juma oye no enti oni party way and as oni faction way any faction way enti mo hu bia mo mu ani emfangu so yanko owura Afenyo Markins ono so aye deputy majority speaker leader sorry your name's me speaker no more o see ora Haruna Idrisu wona am minority leader of parliament what she din yatrawo ye din ama small boy your friends Sami Jamfi toto ayampia edi amanfo atem ekeka nsem bom keka amanfo tribom eno de wo nhwe na wodi hu asem na mo bedu parliament na sa by the policies ba na mo ko atia ora Afenyo Markins ni mo asem ne say asem bia na se proposal bia ban ba beto parliament bia no enhye yo ho ne se opposition ne be soro mo ahwehwe mu no mo ze koyi anase nkoyi no mo atar ba na hyabra ya adwuma he se wo mpo aban na edi ade nemum eni kwan se mu take into hostage everything the government proposes to parliament bibia ban ba bia mo ahyera dem yempene bibia na mo ahyera dem yempene na so onim de so ya 100 so atumi ampam sam de video ene no Haruna Idrisu on resign every the position odi our parliament no said there ya abanyeko no ebetime jan na so because omo a ena aso Sami Jamfi so amenne small boy no so da no odi mpanimfo atoma nyamanyeko no etete apansam enti so bibi ya enye sa akofo do na se beto parliament omo se yampene ne atwi twan 137 plus 1 enfa hwe ma munsom na abanyen kona nim sansa mpo on e run state no enti ba na sa na e ma ne makoyi anya sa de a ene wo Haruna Idrisu e be enka resign because ene be ekoso no eya dia ekoyi abusia nsem moyi ene de ka ho ene na wie ye de bra wa fidie so na se de ye de kai aka no ora je ni boate if the camp of the NPP baba kai ho ne ora atobechem enso baba afeni abe Moses ni abe enso for the camp of the NDC ono so baba hande na ye di nkomo ni anom nkobo ni ehwese na nkobo besi akọ enso mofia enense mo hapa sire medical kan me di do hene ya mo apiesie wona ebo ye chidom papa K Mr K or the on Facebook live. So the DJ visa. Also boy chidom. Sorry. Akoda about them, no, about on 9, no upon on 9, 4 to 4, 12 hours. If you are not Chimukakra, a young also oh chia, or boy chidom. But before then, Yenin Komokakra, PNC Media College, PNC Media College. Or say so tear me. Now would tear me. So person and training papa power Ghana. And you are draw for the view. Come on, pa. What's the program? Come on. Okay, news to come on. We are sports, come on. We are DJ. Oh, Bodnum Casami was on pa. Oh, Casa. Marketing episode, also video editing. And that's a radio technical and but a PNC Media College. And fear Dunia and a school now Juma Ghana. The Nipa want to tell me do so ye pa. Kumase, a hard bob Juma the Tinipa Bebre. I told my Ghana and Chiaso. And we'll PM our secondary takra there. We'll PM our Hunter West here. We'll PM our Guna. Bebajopi. So person ye journalist papa. A PNC Media College, say TV, say radio, bra PNC Media College. Or say bra Cheers FM, our takra the back circle. Kendrick's Pharmacy top of her, Cheers FM here, number form. Auto form new year, number in your friend, near Fanchurch, the Munimau, Sanya Bear, who's with my status, could not pay my way, then you met me a Kuyamao. PNC Media College, 0243 843 123. The number 0243 843 123. For number 0243 843 123. Nani PNC Media College in Penifodin Como. Nanyama Enko Yi amount 133. And share any discussion about so. I don't call hand sanitizer. So nim in kada. COVID-19 coronavirus abay. Any other hood abay. Nina don't call hand sanitizer to prevent war. Miss Row for people won't sa. Se phone a gutawa. Fabi fry, fabi 5 rands a tissue. Never for so come. Be a female to me account Sadia de Brobiado. Compare don't go on sanitizer. Sanitizer send their dorsal. And so I don't call ye. So I don't go brand and I will neaji. Sounds like next level. Energy drink. Pebinum. Na boost you. Yeah, Jumatin. Asa, baby. I don't call next level energy drink. And never wow. Sell product team you Upebiata 0244 131 640 0244 131 640. Na pebito. Na fi anema enko yepa enfama Migo purified mineral water so ha. Migo ensu a wonom a emenwo na wonti sikomo tentem e Migo purified mineral water. Ghana ha ya di dodowa ama 40 pa junction. Oba secondia Lagoon side dispensation building. Oba takradia base consult El Mexico road. How den so benya biato. Ehema akoma dum 18 no ye di ma 10 Ghana cedis. Koton never be to some enso ba kwa oton bia wo de obu 70 pesos. Adwuma wura kra de enu sa. Wo de 70 pesos. Tole koton never ba ho bra. 0246 126 773 0246 126 773. Nafi any penny for any komo. Papando mobile phones and accessories. Papando mobile phones and accessories. Abusia mobile phone shopper. Bro different one stop shop. Udruwa de open fa mobile phones and accessories will be a was able to make it. It's all Samsung ebi ho. New ones ya be bebre ho. Open iTeller ebi ho. Infinix ubenya bi Huawei any mobile phones aka nyina any accessories bra iPhone nyina okwa abenya bi Tecno na open ubenya bi Papando mobile phones and accessories osme kan kira o say ubeto mobile phone na warranty wo ho afimu a bibia be fa ebete wo chima bia fabra ubesiesie ma wabasa yebesiesie ma wo ubenya sesa ma wa yebesesa ma wo entinya de ato mobile phones Papando mobile phones a ubedu ho da so payam na de yajumaden galamsey fo no ye koko ye adwuma shoemakers ne carpenters no say ya na sa phones no ultimate adwuma no ultimate for Android ne nkon you the 100 ba ko smartphone ba ko fa to dem na ko to yam ba ko fa kwa adwuma ba ko receive calls for adwuma no na ba ko so Brazil ma ni na Papando mobile phones e the phone a wo pa bia wo ko do wa sa betumi aka bi be ba so order portion krakra o takra de central ya udru ha on sa betumi aka Papando mobile phones wo so udru ha with the Freddy number no 0244 11 12 13. Her number ni 0244 11 12 13. Nene Papando mobile phones eni nkomo. Phone a ope bia. Se kobo se ye tumo to de dodge traffic right de brewa de bebrew. Ye ni problem. Ye here so bebo mobile phone a ope din. Ne bi wo ho. near the abrewo, the assessors account, now there there's a cotton was a show, your friends, the tiny man was a protector, no as a show, housing, umpewe, napa, the cover, come up another amount. Friend number 0244 11 12 13 0244 11 12 13. Nene Papando, mobile phones and accessories, any income. Nimi Franco Company Limited. Nimi Franco Company Limited. Enkonya ope dining sofa, dining set, foreign sofa, meka nkonya frabro chie, dining set frabro chie, washing machine frabro chie, meka home use na making. Say sinks, microwave, fridges, lubricants, meka lubricant be na emwa. Oil a wodi gu okai mu a etruti ne kama ma enumfuo. Ebi Nimi Franco Company Limited. A bicycle, a iron, a fans, room carpet, Italian tiles, any after wash, a car after washer. See you never know. Fagun so for some from hata, obi abeton kaso sinema. Na do ba horo so di awie no, do ba huru kuko mu ni na bi o, anwa papa e frabo sha ye die. Cooking oil, Nimi Franco Company Limited. Be ba cho Shoprite takwade here. On na di hwe ni mu. De tosu we no Lagos Town, Mount Olivet asodan no. On ne no bo ho. And then why billboard be so Ghana flag see billboard be na yebo Malcolm for billboard na say e ho na be hu Nimi Franco Company Limited our Lagos Town fresh of Mami Kate 0200 40 77 31 0200 40 77 31 nine penifo eni nkobo awei nipa yesa kan fia ora agye mboate from the camp of the MPP yedi bedi nkomo na fe penifo aka no so ba ye do mu nyina atoto aso na fe ya hwe ne ayebe enti se be yi a enka ntwe homra itwe ho ba de aka ne beto aso na fe ye hu ne e wo se ye na homra simasiri ne hwe ade sisi a ko for macho
nwa I'm more respected time cry one now.
Oh, yeah, I paid you for hey. That's why I need to see. And that's it. But I'm going to I'll cut you down now. About it. One, two. All right, Abusia, and anyway, Jumadi na wasugusa wutie ojatana o cheers 90.7 FM. Ora aje ni mbo atia di kan wa eni ni ko bona fe ye nto aso opani akwaba
Ya me joso.
Busy. Aha.
Ojana no ohie.
Edi na escape you kakra.
Escape me benya na me hwe wo ka no.
Aha.
Nam se ma ojatana no ano ye hye.
Aha.
Na mi piem ya so ojana no ohie ampa.
Ye jabi ase.
Ye koso no kire say yes.
Second
liter kwa de baby ewu.
Yesu an o ya sa woni mpeni fo beto mo. Na bibia boko de.
Otweri ampa na roma.
E de radiasi.
Bibia eye.
E de radiasi paja. Ompani unu na be kan ye ho.
Men ka se eya ayo musuban ba te yo musuban.
Adane awie.
Onim se ndia.
Ye boja de go mo so.
Onim se ndia abane sana.
Minimum.
Ebe ani ye be ko election no.
Aha.
Omo tena ase eye meeting. Say ombe me ye dikan aba.
Oh.
Na once be dikan aba no. Na omo no etete akiri. Sa abra me no ka se ni oba no. Na ye pinch na so mu dendin na wo tie o. Na wa hu nsem a ye babura gum.
Let's say
na oba no abesie akiri.
Propaganda na sa se.
Enti ya na do nya de. Adam mi ko shia baby anajo. Ohwe me wie me friend submission me course ka fe na oba be duru ono.
Let's say on the has free action.
Wa sha sie ti na oba na se. Obetu mako.
Bra.
All the same, you become late here for it. You know, my father already said. Send me Jabun from Memina, I'm going to bear about us. I want home. You got a corner. I'm out for a baby. I know. We bring the phone by what he said in what in the room. Simon won't pay you half an hour, but I don't do the phone.
Mr. Moses Nanabi, our ha, made a pass. Men con crime. Mr. Moses Nanabe.
Oh, boss.
Akwaba.
Yeah, I know.
Now I say ni. Yes, so the hand fresh was not take on a wood tie.
But in your costume.
It's on
Oh.
Then sana baba. Also anapano so me call baby. Me call radio station fufu. Na me bana. Me call 1212 na me say abantu on say eden bia.
Ebe your position transfer you easy.
PhD. Ebe PhD. Dara PhD. Asem mi nu ekan. Asem bi no dey twan. Me nu mi enu etie. Woni mi say ya regional directors. Any program no to platform so kwasi ada. Changes obi a na obi atumi ye. Enti me tie yi mi wi ameko station foforo. E kina ameko station mi say ebere na eye don. Edinya mi di ka akwa na chese mabere. E twase me on station because eye privilege here.
Aha ne dia ba.
Eni ama ye say ye nso ananka ye wachi. Akwanya bi abase ye mekere ya. Endi da on na kwa keke no so di eni bi duplicate bi. E betra kwa fa na ya say na. We navigation on justify.
E dia homa so na business.
Who is that? Somebody yesterday. No.
Homa so na business. Solid zero. I was there Cheers FM now was buza utie. Oko online na your Zeno radio. O dey obo Zeno radio. He ma menye simple ma. Oko Google search no abo Cheers 90.7. Zeno radio beba. Modern Ghana beba. My tuning so beba. The opera dey ato no tie. Oko Facebook so a ohene Kwame Yamwa. Ohene Kwame Yamwa. Obetumi akọ na no interact. Ye number se be di dwuma ne no 0546 894340 0546 894340 say messenger fafa sobra say present calls so a idu hori bi ba wa na fe wo de wadwene aba na fe ya hu de e wo se ye na ene no e koma e be de ne amienu NDC for so ma I expel Alote Jacobs ono so wa chro de aba say sebe nya no sebe so me say me quote no o say a stupid letter NDC for e dey abroad so mo yin edi no yentie ni se me kakra na fe yanko ye nem
party mojo mo wana dem rubber party
You put in to me over what tape biala.
oh it was all over on many newspapers or radio stations, a whole lot of interviews about the major NDC. That was 2 weeks ago. Then in their release to the press or the media houses, what's the day we hear on the 17th of March? No one take a decision. A week ago, 17th March, a week ago. Until Magada ended 6 days. Until we take a decision or a recommendation. The Obasaka and TJ Kopsin, it has taken them almost 1 week. There's mischief somewhere. Ninya is to stem.
Hi, this is your girl Ishana, and you are listening
That
to
is
Cheers
building
FM
up in the NDC.
90.7.
It is to stem the tide, to assure their fanatic supporters around them. They get a tune. But I mean, was there or two NDC? Maniro Kauma on designing the logo or the emblem of the NDC. Honorable Waina with party. I'm nobody. I'm just an ordinary man walking on the streets. Yeah, on this committee. They gave me the chance to write a letter. Mr. Moinya. The whole accusation is based on my saying that we have a mature president in this country and then we have a good leader in the person of Nana Akufo-Addo.
Right. Osuma. Osi na sama work NDC for the in the day. Oso kwa don we ni hu odi dada. Say 1 month ago me catch us Alote because when you hu odi.
You don't need
to say o say the NDC 4 years from the turning and so akoka say we have a matured president in Ghana in the person of Nana Akufo-Addo entiama omoja. Enti ki abako achira nka abete say let turn on the brain no. Say we ka quote no stupid letter. Abusia yanko enum Yelnat roofing company. Yelnat say we so bodan so a. Yelnat say we do ani hwe. It is up Alu Zinc. Open aluminium roofing sheeter. Ina Yelnat roofing company limited. Kala ben na open quality ben. Open the thickness say ni ntwama wo. Chance ni wo akoto the bodan so wi aboss one mo a. Yelnat de ntesa. E bo so wi aboss one si dan num na wo hyew say the other container mu no. Me ba sho enye Yelnat ha. but what they call Yelnat Roofing Company got to losing roofing ship papa na ne man ko yi ma wo ba cha so Toffee factory ye ma discount afi se be yaw fiem pass ke be do ne kakra bi na de de omu ni se ye nchense no enwe na ache men kasa bebri kotakwa akon anatakwa de anaji washing bay phone number 0240 129 451 0240 129 451 then Yelnat mpanimfo eni kobo Kings Group of companies or say akonya bia opebia say ye had de o e abrochire de o me ba chawo de wo ahye dabra ni ya mekọ na ko chese akonya say na mepe no na on design na on fama obe design kama one custom made obe custom made amount to reflect and to correspond your design and I said oh you are the coin it is a empower a dining set a kitchen cabinet and nkonya da so ni na nkonya tremo ni na edu Kings furniture sanso ena nkonya akrefa brochire swivel chairs steel cabinet auditorium chairs any dey kan na and Kings deco curtains blind and aluminium and sliding doors ni ho ne ma ni na Kings Group fridges air conditioners washing machines TVs water dispensers bibia pebia home theaters ni na Kings Group of companies omo takwa the pipe no on ben TTI achimo takisiman adjacent Melcom be ba show nkran so de no number 0501 332 330 0501 332 330 na Kings Group mpanimfo eni nkomo abuja fo ba ha ye be nkomo na awie mpanimfo ya makwaba
yeah.
Ankarato
Yes, boss.
Akwaba
You been at that bed down.
ye de ame and your ba ho de we be hwe won bra de hunu nu mu an ye say yi tie dwane nsem o Akwaba bi o okay ye nkomo
First PC no ya sorry. Samba ha. One from Mr. Umpo to the pool. I'm going to go to the Kuma's can you go to the
yeah, percent you know a bit my show here. The percent you know a bit my show here. Strategy pa. Strategy. Mr. Denim Boatin. Yes. Who na di kan ba Akwaba bi o.
Yeah, eja.
Kala na show say my favorite pa o.
Medas me pebia no.
Medas MPP. Me pastor one, me people so. Me pebia.
MPP.
NDC. Aloteje kopsedi. Two
asem we masem mama start na we obetu
me ba show last week or two
asem we fan
even three on why you hold that o apanu we from anyakuru me na be yi na di e den de owura selum ketia e de NDC elim de lecture akoma na say
e je won fa amom ye ni
started
it is
please mama no was na memo abaso
me more 6 minutes on this
eduma amoye no in fact mo ya de papa na mencha me mpanyifo ya amwa bi na champion we are regional director ama youth employment agency na honorable Okatechi Amankwa Efifa national service boss me do bi am chana mencha me director isa tsi in fact ototonyo meyi na oboama MPP afa yantuma pefra na mencha lawyer Marvin ene aki opare ene minu anoma no mo studio na PhD me ya say ye time no isha
and be boro kaka
anke ye won sam
ka be boro bi anko enim
me ka cha me pen fo say mama yi ni brands na one o'clock yemra na yentimi enko ni
sisu bio
me ma me pen fo ntia
pen fo de he
o ma ye no mba studio abre ni abre nyina
okay
se me na twa se me ba me time me fe ni ago na ensembo a yetima ba because
channel o first time
Elibia and then I was here. Na anka tonzo me te wonka wo say she ba ko.
Okay.
And then that no exchange. Sana agronity. Okay. Na yen kan say asem no so. By the way no ye me agent me hwe ni say.
Okay.
NPP NDC. Edu ebra ikase ye kan. Na Ghana fo a yen ye di wo so. Na omunya arehemu eto abamaye no. Ehun say yakasa e carry weight na aye no kware ana say enye no kware wonim say ebra alote ehun han no ebra ona nkasa ne papa enya ne ba bi koye
okay
na me ka the late Professor Mills
okay
sabe say na alote on the board e ECG wo wi na mafra yi ebe yi na di wo mo a anyom national service o kuje to abra kwa me fifi kwete no
ya kwe nim
ene Felix Ofusu kwa ache no na yesi uni panyi na due enti assemble ne si ada no ama techi madwa anko so na bibi akɔkyew eni papa no say na ye party a ye wom ya dom party say no ye CPP ni but when say party is about interest
sure
enti na obi wo ha etimi kwa ha ofiri akwa a otimi kwa ha
example is MPP chairman
and they say ND chairman
MPP chairman
ND chairman braba ya ko to abe wo mo ene do abe dia
example
what's your political party na now we have ideology and on philosophy and on hyehyɛ ya etima wo tenam etima wo kɔ because NPP yen say development in freedom and when we say probity and then accountability which means ansonso dan ye den na alote kan asem bi ebra na ye bontoa ana ye bontoa ye ba memum ne ka se nyame ye adom na Ghana fo tie yen na ye to aba man ya ye be free SHS okay so then Professor you can say for the mass and then John Mahama Abreso ye campaign kesi tia headmaster ya boss nkonwa ni wonom na NDC aka say free SHS be ye yi a 20 good years enti e ba no bi o wa adwene e fa amamuo mu a NDC for the any form infinisia aduonu ye be wa animu because yes we can ye betima ye ya so amana yi all right ya that time na ni akaskanka be nye because ke kato won for that sponsorship alone free SHS nuska
na de ma sense for na
every day ana be ke ye na wo PhD to betima bo enkrato abra ye na wase se na duma ye mfa so ma o hwe ye ne hwema
se na top power ma me
o hwe ye ne hwema
yo na top power
enti edeni ngwa teme campaign wo ka that time boy ya na idebi keka ne wache na no ene gonu adu na wa fa bi ani o fa ke no enti ebra ye bo nto na we mudidi agona Ghana fo tie ye ba ye no ye ka one dish to one factory wo ka say ye timi ka say ye be ye bi e wo akunfi Emma omo ankasa national organizer ye kan say akwa be fa ye yiri ye be yi Chibani
okay I was obo
so so ka say ye adwuma nkantie wo ma papa so je amanfo iska so ye so fi jira bosom e be ka say tia me wan ye tima ye one day one factory ye akunfi juice Emma this work I say service juice mpa ya produce mpo no enye papa Emma no te be ka say one tena wiase panyin na wo central region na won so service nsemfunu so because central region ete wo no kroni ya kase ya kwaji nimdie school apon kase nyero le fire but wo hwe o mu anyam nimdie eka krom e develop so a ye hu wo mo ege ba say wo central region na ye enyuma kase na party bitumi di adwuma aba na mutumi ye campaign etia say nye papa di alote wo no so ase a we mo ante na ase no no ka say another factory is also coming our central region obobodini e do ma hu say ninsam wo kan nyoma wo ye nyina a kire say akwa wo hu han na ne ye gina no teni nsam so nya keka bi wo so person ko head ya men join NDC
okay
the last 2 week conversation one na na se ampofo agyi e wo station ba ko won kra
tell me so kire say
wo hu han
okay
because the nyame na duma wo nyina duru amegye ne boata mi food bi ne nkura miensa me first one me to ase din katia sika ye oti kwa fisa jaba na tell wa asa me awukui me tuwe na me hu se
ada na e call that angle how ko
na o munya nua no ma ya hwe supreme court nsema na
e tell me bisa was about
ya ho tan ha
me papa
o mu ya no makota ba bi
Mosia
na judge for no
okasa confidently eloquently why rehearsal all rehearsal why rehearsal of flow
ya of our 20 mention no Papa Nkoso etmase me share communication as I think 2011
wow
10 years makumu ache 10 years adwuma we ni yam abetire ho ma e bia se bere kam ya IGP sana enti abeka to sa bombu ni nyina no nse ne ekwei because ne wanyina bi o wa adwene wo hemma ebie ni nyuma no tena se ma enkora de nanim twitwi fom a enti panyini ni ndi so betima ka se ne enkora yi yen from na yen tu omfo but in the political party bia no ade a me ade me atu mfo de ade aye me na make bi nei so wo try so be bie nsem aka nsem aye no kware dia da bia sa na kwako yam pe wasem political
from both devices
NPP NDC CPP PPPP Gumo APC OC ade da ho
make both because mo na me front liners mo mi
enti ne na ototo na afa de na de ko beninti afi kwa na nsem obi mpo kan se na lotenye NDC na mo nipa let me tell you one thing my popular because of MPP.
Okay.
Me so me did my MPP so me win power 2 times.
Okay.
And you know obi e ka say NDC now make it allocate prop can say you know proper and I say why nipa ye tene nka no doesn't hold.
Okay.
Because I be I'm a party no at my best central regional chair. I'm on make me win almost about 16 seats at that time. And I'm what? Into what's why.
Yeah.
Into one no kwan no can na no what can I say? One mature president, he says the president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Was see ade ye born man be fata yen. Because what can why free essays why. And it won't say amemwa ba kwa lutensa sao. And you better look at one PNDC, yeah, Abreso.
Yeah,
one papa Atames Abreso. One do Mahama dear. And one when the apostle. No credit one monka. And it was one dear. One cast of Betty take it to about men people and of Betty MP. By your own to a papa and another go for a chidom. Not by me as what night then I could go who did that ship. And your papa paid. Then the money only
or cross the capital.
What has more kaya? Was one MPP in ne? NDC ni china. No mum na na dan Kwaku Fuado. Any vice president or support them.
Oh yeah, a political party activist is different from voting for them.
Na has more kaya.
If you are a floating voter, it is not better NDC and I say
what has in your kaya? What is that hotel hotel?
In that just not meeting, I just not meeting. Everybody why ready.
Oh no,
one chairman coffee people not ready.
Oh no, about
what's why ready?
Very eloquent
about
influential. What's why ready?
About to compare ya kwa heaven. Say one some penny dey yakobo penny dey. What you here for ya for you should win some.
As I say
go do 50 vote I am pa count. You take count 50 plus one yanko ya. You do to oba fan no because we will be okasa carry with okanya asase mieti. And now end this one say many one man can tolerate because we be one must say we ja na di kan ja one nine. What pay me upon my pam one kade na nke ya. E dey no dey come to letter kora because di pan ni ya wa sha ase e kai nyina a kire say party no fi e sha say be no mo come national election. Yeah. Unu ye course when you see nke jam ntem. Oni ofu so na say ye nya no ten wan kwada din a. Obe kan say mo because ka say any nwan kwara say asori kese te say Pentecost mi ye elder ofu so mpofo elder. Na woni nam eyi ase twa photo ni enimu no. Say ye dia bra
to evan ko ho
me dey ko man ka tell say NDC leadership anyone ke bi kire ne
eno na bobodi no
how na cotton as yes meeting
eno na bobodi
e so ne ke ti anka
eno na bobodi
samen kan ho enti say me ka asma ka asma me nyino bi so maka asma how na cotton asma e pam
so that can to part 2 remember also ye di nkomo ni abe more losing prominent person and I'm offering say uncle no oh more losing prominent person
if no lose any problem
an influential person like Alote Jacobs more losing
like who
Alote Jacobs
that's am not okay when him say me person mbeka sana man no etia obi but what I was saying is if your first submission here banner here can about communication the opportunity here okay say yenum so say yanke yensem fata yewo baby ni through the party no yenya opportunity because this communication that we are doing uko secondary takradia there are countless of people that can also come and sit here and be doing what we are doing so Drew baby is an opportunity and when
it's a privilege
so unya the recognition away the unya na comfort to me and who say oh this man too sana we na ewo no mo no eno crampo no is more than the other things that you can get and usha Alote Jacobs background onye extraordinary nimpe bia obeka say na before joining NDC and rising to their wedro no you be I say sronku bi oye nyoma sronku bi amaga na ye den etenika dia wa ye nyina ne popularity na it is through the party and so what institution musa what is say crampa you are not bigger than the institution it is a Drew baby the institution no asihye atu abe norm and standard no eno na ye nyina ye de ko inti enko Drew baby na who say you are bigger than the institution na woni me answer posing the leadership no more nyinara we yes na you create problem and this program to die your woman no politics no we have opponents and it's a bribimpo course now you are not satisfied there are ways and means of doing it and solving it want to make us say MPP or more nano they are of equal heads There are a lot of things going on in the MPP. But say nipani for MPP num and the necessity say me. I don't believe in the philosophies of MPP. And our candidate numpono mimpena sempo se obebe di enim. Nemum I support our opponent candidate. And we believe more in him than our own. Now one day no ukasa inara no it is portraying that I say who knew her but who come
anti-NDC.
And the who ye hinano is against your own party. In Kolasu party no they are also rising. In this yanshana yanswana ebedu baby no. Senkolano so started so omu ye be very difficult to control.
And ya say opani na oni obi anim no no popular. NDC na chana menne what you do this level. Nanka sam you betimi akasa mamu. Frankly, if you like it or not, people listen to him. He's influential.
Yes, people listen to him at
free mu akobe fufra ko egma mba fufra.
Osha mebo, Osha. See.
And yeah.
For the past years, who no Peace FM. Ninkomodi odi na no. He don't speak for the party. And you don't say anything good about the party, no. Inti nimpa say no, uja ni so nko so ntinema. What purpose is he serving?
Say na mo achenzo.
What
say Peace FM say yen.
Enuntina na we o ka say ono anga say yin ho edi. Party no wan hihye. First no we say ke bo kokko, ye man penifo no e kasa. Say where you are going, no. Any party ni hihye no nko. Na ya ma grace time and grace period say den biara no. To me as a someone dream. So we did all that we need to do. We did it now, yeah. And at the end of the day, no, when we saw Nwangasano, we seen a book. So there is no option than to sack him officially from the party. And I don't think Alote Jacobs alone can make NDC a strong party in this country.
But he has a say.
But he say no, he alone cannot do it. So at the end of the day, no, he will need others to come on board. As mpenifu manga samosi say edwankro odo ntwema gradually or the heading got decide their akanina. So if Alote is not bigger than NDC and party no tell no work no onwanga say Alote ka say even the founder no is dead. Nigeria is no more. Some people started
anya problem am
bezamote yetuso ano na abebu bia enhyeda enye weomka wo was say won pe wasema edipan mpa na wo say edi
eso why you run I hear the credit
no was ke enye ura
kasa be hwe me from witness okay when you come from witness
ina
ko be sa chen ko
ina ebizo se de wo de se wano campo wo wasa wa no we edi na wo cha ompa iti e wo de Aloteno, it is not because of what Nanado obey 4 years, no. Or ya na say why na ye extraordinary. Ye who be our country no as a president.
Okay.
But Nidiani say the administration and the presidential candidate of John Mahama no, they both due to misunderstanding or 1 or 2 beef bia on wonti. E dia de krampona, he will not support him. But he will say something for others to believe that he's not a candidate. I will say Yedinichi. In this mayor then why don't I give allegiance to the opposition? Nami Manning yes he's better and good than what we have. Nami Feng Jinas when there was a me. But I don't know, it is not the truth because if me every day make us a yama, but if you have to compare achievement project for the 4 years of these two presidents, there is no way you can tell me that Akufo-Addo is more better in terms of managing the economy and what we are seeing than John Dramani Mahama. But it's an opinion. As a maker, so Obi Sube Frey, Obi Sube Kennedy. And if allocate to him, he seen Akufo-Addo to be the better and mature president. Opinion, and it does not change the perception and the belief of NDC and our leadership that we've entrusted our hopes in. Yes, Omundi and no money. It does not change it. Inti Alote there, if he's gone, we wish him well. But yes, who kwaswa na wako niye because yenhun kofwa omo cross carpet to other parties. Ewo wa omuzazu to me yede eba back because it is politics. And but when you are living, you should live in the know that anytime Bibi Kosina you want to come back, the party will open their arms to embrace you. But what Alote Jacob is doing, no, don't know me, sir, but for me, the best decision has been taken, and I think it is good for him to leave than to stay and destroy.
When this man wants to
our
come
party.
back, as you said, or cross the carpet, no, sir, will you accept him as a party member or Kobaya and say you accept him as a fresher?
Obeshasi.
From ground zero.
And the next generation to come. And yes, it's here. And the German penny for the time no so you won't there in our book.
So now, Alote Jacobs, more than more in a day.
You need the officially
But,
now, officially.
Or no, so say, we jided that.
And I don't know your fan cancer me because to be a political party member, you need to have a card. You be register. Would you want card to say you are what? A member of a party. One guy want to meet now, and one guy be a member of MPP. You should have a card, and in the card there is a registration process.
Okay.
And you say you be you wait for my was want to meet now if you are say. May you with him. There should be a process, and the process they will write to you and tell you officially that now you are not part of the party. Yeah, you with him, and this is what we've done. So the onangasa kasa me angasa me you wedi no, and the onangasa nasem na or the dada the public no. What was on him said they are all no. Then be a bedroom baby. He'll be expelled from the party. In this other meeting can public and Miankasa no Mimpe me you wedi. It's a bumper, no way to me and me you wedi. But you know that also want to me you wedi political party.
That's why you know waka.
When you wedi. When you wedi, he write officially to the party to tell them say Mimpe party.
When he was coming, did you write application? Application.
Membership. It's who fail to membership card. Who fail? To me deny membership card.
But the
process party process and they say, yeah, no, you are a member. So who FIMA? We should write to you to let you know that you with him. So that we have evidence. A better filer or Chinebi so busy Bob will say. Oh yeah,
can message back home. I say good afternoon, PSC. Message, you know, Thierry and Ebi, I am ready. I say, so is this how the NDC has generated into?
Oh.
When the MPP suspended Chairman Afoko and Kwabre Japan, the NDC described then candidate Akufo-Addo as intolerant. But Uti Muntie message you, we good afternoon, PSA. So is this how the NDC has generated into? When the MPP suspended Chairman Afoko and Kwabre Japan, the NDC described the then candidate Akufo-Addo as intolerant and anti-Nordness. Today, the NDC has sacked Uncle Alote Jacobs. Can you also include that former President Mahama is anti-Fantis? The NDC is just meddling in double standards, and they can be trusted with power. We Efi Akiho or Efia constituency. Greetings to Honorable Joseph Kujo, MP for Efia constituency and Minister for Public Enterprises. I would say I would also cheers 90.7. 10 minutes into 2. Uncle, I'm front Uncle Alote.
It's already given.
Akwawa. Obia for 10 minutes. You also have 10 minutes.
Oh, I come back as a 5 minutes because for party being
Maybe I'll cancel.
I come back as a 5 minutes because party being in the room.
Alote Jacob has officially been expelled.
Dismissed.
Dismissed.
Is it not 2 words are the same?
Dismissed.
They look alike.
Dismissed. You have to in 10 minutes.
Uncle, when we can't say which Nyango Polema. Oshima, let's say, Equitiana Sama, the precept, the testimonies, the loss now. Or who the first, no, immediately. First, no. Or act immediately. No one there know why any year. This time one more time. One more time. Ebia never sa. That's that. See, I'm going no man time. In no man time. On punish immediately. One more time. It's his second. When you do. I see. Oh no, he does not compel us to go. Oh no, he does not compel us to go. Oh no, God does not compel us to go against his will, but he is justice and willing to know. You understand?
Please, chillify the song. Fabric tree.
That young company, I'm feeling water. I want more time.
Okay.
Until we take action. Now, all forces they go against us, but upon or two there on no bow, more dog. That's a sign. Mr. Casey, as some close to do. Zig Ziglar and the Josiah Holland. Okay, what ability can take you there, but character will bring you back. Okay. Character will maintain you. Papa answers the body for a fulcrum. One professor Oboko, Usuba Zobaba. One professor Uboko, Usuba Zobaba. But I some years as some today. I will take. Let me penance mama. So kasa muso radio a me na baby abigina na me tia lotin asem. But there's one word that me to open loyalty. Dem pede bi sa wo e pede of Lord. Ejeni boaten na wo pie asem. Na ho na ebie ni. We hu be se kro ho nya wo pen. Na
call me.
Me say you sa wo. You say some you sa pie se da give
Me kwaka se da bia na me ka.
We hu be se wo pen. Na besia no ehia between a PRO ehia obi me wa corner na amo it's the far of Lord the boss near be do there
near be ntem gina for
ehia between a no on convince besia mo because ehu dey isu kon nechi iya kwa obaka mo no ka ma ageni mbu aten
Okojiska
ma abuta me we Asambia oh no come on no be no come I didn't watch it I just get one which one was me
thank you
which one was me there loyalty and one of the principles of God one of the principles of God testimony of God there are couple of principles so can I feel you one more time I mean me feel the change disciple it's a people who was sacked a long time ago in Bethlehem. So the Holy Bible says, watch out. Watch out. Because Kama alote Oshado Cassatia and this phono, Abro Capono. Nami Jachem was the Pepia was no ye. It be this when you might out here. It be 1 minute time. Oh, I should almost son. That was what my mind told me. But it's matter one that me tell news and must know what is actually happening. But you and me will know that there is no smoke without fire. There's no smoke without fire. Because as a loyal person like me, if I'm loyal to UPC, I have to continue to be loyal. Because we'll be in Mochina or you grow up on it. Who knows tomorrow? Yeah. Inti alote abe secret no nyim NDC ma if you was there, will you feel NDC? Then on moment on not on ha on so on baha on not ten or ten. Let's say ko hanem baha one to net of akure what can some point men can be atasa but when me NDC what tried on something they shouldn't have done it. Yes, because as a party faithful until the girlfriend and they be sell kakapen because in there about my day or today about my day I let you all kwe okitano domu and even na ko no sure okitano dom I tell you oni dom oh but you can create you can oh dom oh dom ni ma kwa oh dom adro ko so tisi ana obeja atasa but to take a critical decision there I'm a letter don't feel party no not say the obi nkum na akokọ bere kwa when you say it's a why by Twitter atasa but can we also say that it is somebody who is pulling Alote because of the Yefun?
It misses out.
Yes, it's possible. That because of stomach direction. Okay. If they get a big baby ba, conviction with baby banty, or you show ye, or she get no. After a party, can be the chair, get answer the day.
Because a way to
they follow
a way to man's his food.
Yes, they follow party because of money.
Okay. They
some of them, especially some of them, they follow the party.
I thought you would say all of them.
No. They follow the party because of their stomach. I know a lot of them stomach no see they can sacrifice the party and go to the other side just because of the stomach. But only if I mean, so they be able to you know some chum consistent. I mean, most slow. I will fear you. It's a lot. I not doing that solo MPP because of President Akufo-Addo or who ye. Because they will fear you. He who talks to you about others also talks to others about you.
Fear delegates.
Seriously. But wait, you know, it is a wake-up call for the NDC party. There was a once in a hobby. Not necessarily because say you're going to one. So for not punish you in Mazoya. On your special school. Now la bet shawazi. And yet by a one bow too. I don't go say bear the Zuka. First one of the Nebuchadnezzar. And you could school papa or the bush for several years. Obey Pekim and one way to know no code okay. You must second one is Jonah. Yeah, you could call your for cows, you know, for fish. Cap. Oh man, cap in Papa Modem. Don't know Cosia, China, obey bet what for the two up here. Obiala Mono, it's either not for Bible, they will call Kaki. You understand?
I wish to Paulo.
Madame, come here, Paul. Paul offering the road to Damascus. And a nice local boy in you. Obey Yano Shadow, I do question of the man. And see, Munga and the Jacobs. Advise them watching many day. Send no quite no leads you on Akumema. Uncle didn't know what. Because the truth shall set you free. But so of what I could see. They get even a YG or never a but at this time of the year, at this time of the month, Masamaka, 64 years independence, you don't have to sell your conscience. Obiama Penaba sell conscience, Biala. It's against your own body, your soul, and the same community. Because when people believe in you, anything you say counts. They believe in everything you say and they follow you. But if they realize, today, I had a communique from the Central Region NDC members. No one will say they were happy because I allocate the office had been terminated. Okay. They was why are they happy? Because also he was lording over them. He was doing things about his stomach. He didn't care about them. Decision NDC will take you. It is possible that if there's any secret in the party, I will tell knows. Probably on put someone watch out then to win is the I don't know. I want you will it's watching to do it either though. If there's a lot of secrets in your party, over to Zaba out, this is what I'm watching. But if there's any secret in the party, NDC, they should go back and do their homework well. Okay. And then they call him back. They sit him down. But if he has other plans to leave the party, he wants to enter MPP. Because they may say the MPP for the even chairman or friend the blame calls me even obey. It's a table budget 100%. And they tell although it's not like as a man. Because the moment move to MPP, no, not a commissioner of coffee share will have him. Not a Nagasa, he cannot be trusted. Okay. He will not be trusted anywhere you go, no office, anybody will trust him. Although with the Central Region phone, maybe when you're worried, that's it.
All right. 21 minutes into 2, high cheers 90.7 FM. Ojatana was so good. I was there and Uncle Atobichem Elha. So and Mr. Ajenim Boateng from the camp of the NPP. And I say Moses Nana Abbey. And I call Google and who's that English name here? Moses. No one. That's what the father don't know call Chapo call. Good. So your number said here, Juman 0546 894340. 0546-894340. Maybe I shall be ye me a human name one message I send this so 0546-894340. After you be a humana no abasubi. Okay, your backup number 0557. And frankly, the main studio number there. Then so Bibinti area backup 0557 079 077 0557 079 077 and after 0546-894340. Ebra no so a yebeboa ebebi ama na so ahye waje ba wo message bi a send ebra na yen kan ma Mr. Boateng.
Yeah.
Remember Osubio on the same issue swiftly. Papa no. Mami. Uncle no. Say oba NPP mu dey in case whether you oba NPP mu on hwem ho yi because he cannot be trusted. In case this man decides to come into the NPP or to join the NPP, what will you do? You as a party, not as a person.
Please, me that was na etie fon so eguso a omo etie na omo pe no kware a ewo nsem. Asem a amanfo ka no. E asem papa. Na e no kware party no. Yes, all be man as all memo. As my binum air can say, Sibia or Kohanama, say near Bedouin, and quarry. Now, me mooding, but a minute, in fact, won't be air to 2. Every time be now will be L MPP. Now, Yahudi at a tea woman, no thing say. After Ujaya, no bad day. Indeed, upon commodie. Any woman would be in common. A foot will be at the man, Nippon a foot or the man born from the other side. When you're careful.
Okay.
Now, Opa, one someone on die naturally. And Mumbai better. Dance or better out. Now, Obe resign. And as Obeko out. Now, Obeka in some. When you're careful. Because political party no. Ube mwanye insem nyina na wotie. Insem one ma you kind of form as a polling station level. You obo on my coordinator for there. What ba constituency. What region. Now what national. Even national kwambo no your caucus. Omotana si e take decision. Oh no ma be. Ente bia obetima kwa kuduru emre bia. Ye ka bibia wo mu bi. Because me tell you, I'm making me my yacht and I can't think of police and car. My home will
look like a corporation.
Menkai workshop I would do. Yabaka mean could be. Reforms I would do a beya, ebi a mean could be. And I been part, I bet you say, Waka. Now you bear special training, Ediama in agent. Me a part of society man. Yes, I know Mentino. Wait, Metramwa, I could do baby, I could dream. Then I was so bad. Ubi say we nimi sembi e wo party ni mu.
Yeah.
E yensem. And Jacoba ni say no. Ene me na me nkansem. Me na me nya bibia bi o. Wo mu sa na me kwa kakra sa se ne ye party mpanyimfo no bi akwa. Ene ye bodina mu din fanhye bi o no. Sa na adnai de akwa akosi. But say alotekwa a wo kɔ no se no no anse di ka e ka na nsem se wo kɔ mfinhye aduoso. E di ade na wo gidi o. Na papa ka to ka se ne mani age. Is our money. Money. And a man for the time for fear bugu. And a man for a company like a maybe a machasi a yenimum bottom. Metan be a case a quite about of Beneska and yet a tune I bet you quadia. Me I didn't want him to support.
Okay.
Set trouble I bet you. So better my case a cartoon idea. Says soon I become your forward women and also be barefoot. And I'll be boy. So obey politics not 4 years. You will say, and then the main can is a mum. Since you are not make us a man can say, and if you are passing a woman, yes, make sure my house. Yes, and then the other come and no one are going to say, make I can interest first. Okay. If you a command, you will be an over. Wouldn't say a brand new politics. I think 1992. One man you would dear woman at the for. Okay. Because no one in dear. Into a parliament and question man and I bring one and get to the Chilenia. Kaby, I may be a meeting for you to my boy. But I was in a dynamic master. Yeah. And I ban you crabby. No, it be boss war. It make us make us have any ability meant to man pay papa man from Nazareth in Aswa. The next election, I'm going to be the Antoine Ramaka lose. And you're some pay to make you come to Marco and Dinano. And this is an idea. Yeah, I can see I'm going to go pay the name of Batty here. Because a commando and Chana Wolf and Jibin. And Tina, and my ear can hear it in iron, no quite better. Alotene wadi ka say nya de obeba medical ka say otu yi say MPP na man be bibi o say ndi for na
He
ma
has told you that Uncle Haba.
ene na bia wuntie ne nsem ka
Okay.
me interview ahodo a waye nyina ebi o mefa metima bo ama watie was onkwa ane nkwa eche ne mom na na dan kwa ne ba nwia na obom chidom because ye wanyina do a konfishia edioso no anga rekwa no oluma ne okan na numa sana me ka so wonya ne hotel kese ba ako a obi atimba beda o monya bibi kakra ede edidi nti obetima maintain e no ade ede ede akwan but obetran so obeka sa ma central region for oni ma setena central region for
Also Uncle Ha mba ha but Obakasa na.
Ona say ti o
Obakasa na do no yin ba go miya.
obe support omo
ohu nyuma be social commentator
ohu nyuma pa na anda to
kama omo
Le go bi opodo do not to do eni.
wono na
Na opodo do.
ono ye de bo no
what the politicizing na ho where the road politics then possible
Oba to say edro no boat mi ka say ye de wo me na wo de bia wo to nti
obi so dey try enko obi ma try dey
on say ye wa ha ye ti aye ka say amafofo ya say zero nti betu tell me say ye benya akwanya na say bia say social issue bi ne ye ka obi wa nso do ye nso ye ka na say bia dey amanti ye nkofo a enyo be dey but nasma wo ka na ye betina tena say ne abo akire hu sampa ni o ka ni mere bi ne ni ogusu ye na ense say dey abem wo ni betima gina so
But as some all can also unknown kwa ha unknown ba ne mo Obakasa ma na do no yin ba go miya.
ena me nyuma pa wo about to my gonna once about to and ye can send you okay even some agent feed communicate a call Peace FM say me ma ye mfa alote emba ho bi na e send on say ya na ye can say na ye can say e hwehwu mu a ana ka be hu si bi ade de esiti yin say party bia on stretches your kwan fa so ye den edi duma but the good time na say bia enema ekoso na enkoyi na party no ikaso mbem ana wo ede asem ni di no we expect say leadership make ma bem na say unhu hwea erutem bia e ma wo ye den o kan say ana be bia ye den aba be drink piesie ona sem de yesi agoro ba fi aye mpia di o wa be yi obekasa o ana ba bi okwa no kwasi ayi ukwara bia nso ye mpam no obekoso akasa ama nkrofo obekoso nya amafo so betie na sem obekoso nya nkrofo so a omne be ya adwene na bia o ma beto abade ama MPP nti de ye ka no en de amafo kan ya adwen kire obi ade eden e fata nti kwa wokon de ana ba waba no e wono akasa na sem na me fa second one nto aso na
o kan say bo se be the free Peace FM pa de ene ke yin free NDC se ye be pam sabi dem fi communicate and I say see be pam na free Peace FM pa no communication
what they
PhD propriety
Maka when there's no smoke without fire.
PhD propriety very very important.
Yeah, tie voice bi ne embassy ya. Tie voice.
Oh, wait. I tell you any
Tie voice.
I tell some
Tie voice embassy ya. Yan kweli.
Created that platform for you. Sometimes in Telegram, I don't want to talk about it. I should give you the respect. Oh, sure. Na mama ye free am won ba ye. Nje go ne go be this be. I was teaching you Obakasa. No, but money go. I was teaching you Obakasa. Oh, okay. I should give you the respect. Oh, sure. Na mama ye free am won ba ye.
Yeah, come yeah, fa voice if we ye na kwani kwam sifaka na ka ye pra bi o se see be in free this first Peace FM party and it in free this and today he's got
propriety idea ehie
yeah
and ye mu bi ye fa na say no so ye bigger platform ama ibin mutianka the respect ye call out the man no eh e bro adwene be ye wo doctor for nim pen for all do a omutie yen endi onu fin say why ye popular oh my Ghana na abena be nyina okasa ma amanfo tie na baby o won so ye kua e ona answer choice
okay
obi ntimi si true red e macho ona no fin say ya be nti ye mfa de no konkon na ye hwe nsema egusu e ba na me fa say wan ento so tew na
ma me twa ma fan to so tew bi ka tu abi aba e tefo me twa ma aba na e ya to so tew
na makade si jama msa oshigunu because the job I love most you've created that platform for me. And then sometimes in Telegram, I don't want to talk about it. I should give you the respect. Oh, sure.
All right. You call Facebook. Dominic Nanatu4 sharing from Kumasi. Saso and Larry Desmond White and so sharing. Omag Misupa. Or a regular follower of sharing pa. Or St. George and so sharing on Facebook. Gladys Enin and so sharing. And Chibati sharing live on Facebook. And Eric Ampon and so sharing. Abuja Shamu na mo page or Hene Kwame Yamo. But to say me say your Zeno Radio. Modern Ghana and I might tune in. Facebook also Cheers 90.7. Cheers FM here. The whole world. Cheers 90.7. ABN's finest. Yeah, fact was ABN's finest. And Okozeno Radio Modern Ghana my tune in and Facebook Nina a Cheers 90.7. Afi Ohene Kwame Yamo so a Facebook page back home. Yanko point number 2. Nafi Yamfa phone lines no activate. Good. Enti yakoya nim na yahwe na yemko point number 2 say okay.
Oh me kai pa.
Good.
Leader. Yes, I hear you, Mr. Suga. Cheers. Your powers have no reached that. Mr. Suga, I've been too. But I'm my majority leader. Yes, Mr. Suga, I'm seeing your seats. Cheers.
Yeah, Tamu.
You don't lead you lead the business of the house. As to the role of the speaker, you haven't reached there yet. When you get there, the majority leader is the leader of the house. I'll take it. Thank you very much. I'll take it. But you are not the leader of the speaker. At least I have a position in Ghana. Number 3. Number 3 is not in government. No, I didn't say in government. I said in the country. What is your position in the country?
Okay.
Number 4.
Politics. Politics didn't follow good. Nana, yeah, 5 minutes.
When I mean tempo 5 minutes now. You want to na me. Hey,
his number is number 3. What's your position in Ghana?
Yeah. Tell me I'm go be some teacher no better. Say ebia sika akọ no frefre. Bere say am akọ bobo na yo membi na makobo dia me ni bia me. Ense ensem no ye nyina ye tietie bi na. Ye say ko fa jataba na otete na ofia onyina obekere say.
Asem yo.
Enye wo no ofire. Be anya ntena bia.
Yes.
Sa na akọ afuom na akonya okode ba. Na ase ne ho ofenti wo metere fi no ne ankoko ni agoro no bedi agoro. Ba onye oche so obo na taba mu a. Chi mensa bonzo ni opena ne zaka. Ase ne say okay emre bia na ne nyoma ye poto. 2016 ye kwa akoto aba. Na ebi mu fin say what na so ache nsuo eche tuo ma yi hwam. Che be ya ona bu che. Be ba bi tena. Ne mrante e moja wo mu mra. Ye nyina hu ne yakọ so Ashanti region.
Ye ne course.
Ne yakọ so ne say parliamentarian fo nyina politician fo nyina e ba akọ se minimi nuanum sia ye di nkomo yi. Se me de ka ba me wi a me fa me nuam na akọ me de mra dokọ. Se ka kra mboto ye betena se ne ye didi. Se ne nyame amada efiada ma afosam me ne 1 week ye nyina ye betia. Ne ama abusuafo ye akọ no. Sa na agoro ne tie. Enti o mu nyina akọta so ame. Campaign mu odene
including Speaker of Parliament.
O ka ho bi. Then parliamentarian no wo ayi Nandoli aso awani wo. Edia na anko so ame. Ma kwabara ne ye bibia wie ne wo su boka. Na ne che hu ato no parliament 2016. Ekodu baby ne tonso tue onu aka na ma ne bibidie. Enti e ba ne say na he is the president. I nominate Professor Michael Quay. So am a speaker. Ye nyina hu de eto aso adano on the 6th mama adiche on the 7th. Twa ba na dwa ma adiche ye e ma ye butu baro pipa me bi mi di dwane ye e ma soja fo ba ne ye to na ye sere na nka anya de nka mo no na kana na de nka mi pe bi akwa nka abo am yanka ye
do pa de kokotokoro
ye nya na boro ba ko du tem no waka to ba ye campaign man de do ya no so bi nka no enti aba e ko to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye hu ni pa koro man to kwa ba man to mabu e twan ba bi ye mmerenti
so ka se
adwa safu ye ko bo ni dini
o ka se mo
ko bo kere japo dini ko bo ni oba independent no na be ba ko pe ne be kan na ba se na ko fa bro miensa na ye hu ba bi afiri ba ni ye titum se ni na dia iro ni be bi na hye.
Thank you.
Ye nyina hu chamber amanfo ko be nam say ye ko parliament. 2016 e ko do tem no waka e to ba ye campaign man de do ya no so bi nka no enti aba e ko to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to ye 138 136 me no tie ni o to me pese me kwa pie privilege committee ntino me de wada maka nse ne course na obi ate ye na obi ahu ye obi anu makwa tena ba bi no ma bia ba ne yetwa photo say ne yakotena se kan ye ah ye nyina ni say Cape Coast High Court Eden krata abase MP elect for Ascent North right what to abeni bi enye yiye because you won say enkrata na okura no okura do citizen kan say ka
ona bo kura say na kan
na sa bere ebi aba ma yensu nipa Adamu Sakande Tamale Central so okay na ye dio na sa won to kura bi ye twekọ ye jeri ni mokoda mu mfie mienu ene mandis budget Tamale Central mo ka se ntimi yibie wa akwai omu de ye o papa dia wure sa wure ato na no mo nse do edi ka akoba ni se den ka do ko no to ase de obi em sanka abene
ibo so ni jani do so nti ame
de me sa na mpe ato ase nkwa na bi me ni sa eme ye ko ma sa for credit for atete speaker for ni se bi ni ye retire police for soldier for right ti e bobo wo mo ni nyina ne sa tabo na da so da wura ye twe because akoba ni se 37 one ever come and take it and mark just speaker okay na ka ye die mu die nkotu me di dwuma di amaye ye yira hu ni esi ye o make mama me ka no kora nkyere ye da and yeah public opinion be tonton graphic no o ye ko kyera adwene ni otuma no ye hu na me ne ba na ma volunteer betuma ye because no we nkono no na be ko ba se na wo kyera nje no and na mom ye nya ne ntie me so mati bi se kyesi wonya speaker obedi enti meka mo bi a wo tie me so ehunu se ewiase e wo no even sabon sam ka won ka utimu adwena wonim ne ewom obetuma ya all right but utimu adwena o plans wonim enti bi a wo so wa kire bibia mo so wonya abebe ntino kan se wonya duru hanu mu a na so atuma ya ni opede ne ko ochew ye besere mo ne mra se badwafo a ye hwe mo na yesu mo na ye hwe mo ne ye na se nya papa ade a yesu nya papa ana mo wo se mo kwa akoye mo man ga na yedie ya de biri beto no ma mo bo na mo na da were kire asa han tan dwe me na me ye na ye da na ade a na akwa me na me ye speaker of parliament me na me ye majority leader me na me ye parliamentary for public affairs me na me ye wan ne ekopo se enti ye be sere wo mo ensema e koso ne ade a ye mu bi eti ana yakoma do bi dan e ba ne se na akwa kodu sa abiri e ho na aba be kire okrache powers ya speaker ne se no kure ye ba hanu mo dia wo na ado ma no ba de ba ko nya metimu dia enya na wotenem tu bi wono ma enti ye besere ne ye course no memebu ye den ensi be na nansen no ye parliament ye fa mo ya age wono kwa mo mo dodo mo ko trans no mo kan se no mu di nsem ma beberebe wo kai emere bi nsem bi be da adwase afi omo e ba vetin dia ye nkoje adam die eno ye bo no ama wo kai parliament wo ya na mutaka so e the allegation kese ama judge say onzo age adam die say enko bonkum ye bo no ama ba me bi nke ba dia nke be twe kwa akonyina say ye toto ya no ye kana anka ni ya ye fa tabo no mo ye enti wo mo so ni ya mo ye no won na ye hwe ni yesua ni eti nsem no enye ni o ma ye tonsin na e dana kwem na ba ne say na majority leader woni speaker no so ye ntunu aso na say ketwa bi na wan say no wo ya assemble
na me cry the parliament na ni mu ana mo yes the parliament asi wa feda ko da the personal attacks we come
me tru akwa nkwa ana ade mi ko owuo na nka me bua na mi se bi anka de bi anka ma twe afem so ni se parliament egu yi me ba parliament egu yi there's allegation say so speaker was one page on say am fra wo and ma tem bi an yes MPC bi mo no mo won catch attention speaker to better wa san for mo sa ni nyina won bi nti opi se bi anka ne akwa kodu a cheni ba bi won bi te better social media campaign time ne ye to aba nyina age papa ye kwota ne cheni age because ni aba ma be speaker no one ka say the party omu so ye be sofa na mo sofa me fancy ya
all right me for message we trust on sana ora apobo ni obisi Mr. Yamoa, I am speaking from my village Ekumfi Ebuakwa. NDC should understand that political parties are built on numbers. If Alote is dismissed, he's not gone alone because he's got a lot of sympathizers. NDC should have learned from the MPP as they are able to contain the controversial in Japan. Upon all his utterances, Alote sacked himself before NDC sacked him. Yamoa, who sponsors social commentators from Kweku, Eya, Ekumfi, Ebuakwa? Social commentators, also who sponsors you? Kwakuya po afre ni nko. I'm say all sponsorship package but not to me. Me who dey be afa.
Me kasa na me bu be ko e bi mpe. Because ma some be kan na aje ni mbu ati na na. Akani ya but me kasa me bu be bi. Let's see if the minors of a river heralds the indisposition of the crocodile, it is an undisputable fact that can never be denied. If the minors if the minors of a river heralds the indisposition of the crocodile, it is an undisputable fact that can never be denied.
We hear papa feel.
Sankankrama in Kankama na makata gata. Sankankrama fi usase.
1,000.
Beka echo the pompa bo dai chebutu na wonyi dichi.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Ena akamfo sadefo se bomoji hie fi so so na ganchi mewu a. Yenye chi.
All see.
Sabe wakonya bo so yimframa.
Yenye chi.
Yes. I'm surprised there. No, that's a few patches no one can master.
Okay.
It's enough sarcasm be there. Say, so much about that bomb. That's
that way. Obon, no see you, no. Obon,
because you're going to Abraham. What's it there? Whatever we are doing, our job, our smiling, our way of life. Then is the na. It's the na. LA foundation. We need a value structure foundation. Look at values, or a responsibility character. So as you are going out, you build your life on a solid foundation that will anchor the rest of the structure to stand firm. It's to a rainbow, a daddy Jeff. Them like you and some of Baker. Not there's a betrayal, a little betrayal among the MPP party in Parliament. But Parliament is so 275 no. What you know, home man 275 constituency. What you home Ghana and you won't cut a wall. Sure. And the banks are Okwoguino. It just do for no ye. I'm having one petition one called Parliament and once man will be. No why? The banks are for Ghana. They were serving the Ghanaian people, not a particular party. So that called Parliament Aja. I mean, one of contention or one point more general. So Parliament, because of separation of powers. So Parliament, what the case now no when your bank is yeti, what come a banks now? Now, as some of courts is here. The court can know when your bank is here. Which of them? Anybody ever for catch
and no more session is able to go carry the Asamaban.
Which of them? It is the truth, but you not mind ever. As Ghanaians, we should celebrate Ghana. Not any political party.
So majority speakers in who he has deputies majority leader it's like who he has speaker just no crowd because
I want to introduce the speaker just that's what I call TV that's what the baba in Chamini problem but sincerely it be any all way why just was set committee into all you had to remember one favor where are they going it's walk for themselves and walk for Ghanaians. They should go for Ghanaians. So when you say that a represent, there's nothing wrong there, Babin, because one value, one go against any of the standing orders anyway. So okay, no. But so Kupim, the owl and your head of the business in Parliament. I remember you're third in the Ghana. They are going beyond where they should go.
A personal attack.
They are belittling themselves in Parliament. What do you say? They are disgracing us.
What why you just want a secret you could be people.
Even what the way that way. Yeah. As much as him. I want where you be at.
So you be.
I didn't know. But see, we have to be truthful to ourselves.
All right.
Then you might ask once okay and prepare.
Michelle, Yanko, Mr. Moses Nanabeho, if you have about your Biahumana, but your number at your tour 0546 894340 0546. But your mom will fade the line. Mamma flew the young farm. Number 0546 894340 0546 894340 and 0557 079 077 0557 079 077. Before we go on to Mr. Abi, You call Facebook Godfred Kwashiga Ezra. Also, truth must be told. We should be devoid of partisan DNA propaganda politics. Alote is a delusion of grandeur. He is a bottle liquor and a sycophant. Bottle liquor. And sycophant, yeah.
Sycophant.
The word sycophant. A bit harsh, but an opinion. Mr. Abi.
Pretty.
I didn't say.
Hey.
You're the speakership amount. What could you do? Supposedly.
What could you do?
You say issue about any young cases, so as a court. I feel you.
A holiday. A quick impesa your cancer because
supposedly
or summer any in K onsum.
But as I walk out today, when the bit message trench I can be
say me by yet say no so
about contentious.
You say no. You say the arms of government, the executive, judiciary and the legislature. No, they are independent. Until though is in court no. When somebody petition them, they can also form a committee and sit on the issue. It is possible.
So if you sit on the issue and you say take your banks, not court to say don't take your banks, why then ever?
Hey, and no say a drew we will all go into the merit of what has come. And at the end of the day, no, me sure say the differences will be too wide as we are speculating. Say court there will be totally different from what Parliament will also do.
How can you say
because that? The facts, the facts might not be too different. I didn't say banks you collapsing, you go. We are investigating to know why it was collapsed. Was it justifiable? And I said, we do one come to me apart from collapsing it. So it is that issue they are investigating. Until the finding is no problem. I bet me what court for court to also based on that to take a decision.
Oh, so does that mean say court no take a decision without the support of the Parliament?
But where the mom? It's just 5 days for them to finish with the investigation. The investigation, it is the line of investigation they've asked them to do. I don't know maybe court so they are no more. They are taking the legality aspect of the whole issue. By a Parliament will go through the process and the procedure leading to the collapse.
But the results you are looking at up to here, and they say, bank if in case seeing your splitted decisions out, who's are going to take?
Okay, maybe
that's my question.
What you are saying is if in case, as at now, the if in case has not arisen.
It's an if cross.
But yes,
but
so as at
it's
now,
also possible we are going to have a variety of decisions.
So at the end of the day, meaning say there will be a clause as to how it should also be treated. Because if the Parliament they don't have that power to investigate and to come up with independent conclusion as to what happened, like I don't think they can proceed. Though it is in court, the court is doing its own. But let's just say the Parliament of Ghana also has the power to do same and also come up with their own conclusions.
Okay.
I don't know, I don't know when you could do one, you bet me who say what the court
I also could vote.
No, take. Boss. They wouldn't say the report everybody, and it now will be documented.
Okay.
The two now will be available for the public.
Opinion.
So at the end of the day, we all go through whatever has been presented, and the fact say okay. Based on the fact that has come, it will be good for the banks to be given back to the owners. Or their echoes, who share their Supreme Court, they can share their Parliament, they can it is in order to say, bank the film. So let's wait for the two to finish their job. And the outcome will tell us the way forward. But their Parliament, say, and upon me program, Bina just said Parliament. You will procedures, you will rules and standing orders. And now they will say, yes, even if the minority leader, say minority member, kasa, that's a minority leader, solicit or kasa, the person should do what? Sit down.
Yes.
the same thing applies to the majority.
If the speaker,
And when the speaker of the parliament and also kasa, if the majority
Who am I
leader and
standing?
the minority should sit down.
Yeah.
Inti ehona akoba ne say majority kasa, the speaker kasa, majority so leader so sorry Regina no can no so it wasn't the best. So who were case simple, you should follow the procedure and the standing order and to respect, because also solid Regina so kasa not in call for be yes idea or yeah he won't be happy. Let's forget about Omoya down for anyway. No, because in the house we are doing parliamentary what business.
But you know, we have personal issues. Do you think that Obi in the majority caucus? Everything else also Kasama
Yeah, Bahi.
They are so close.
I can have some cordiality and familiarity with you. But say yeah, but now say program now. We need to do the business of the day. We can meet and be talking about that. But it shouldn't be because who says you are not the only two people in parliament. Obisu will be doing same.
As you said, it's open the floodgate.
And so we are so the person will refer you. Say in that majority, they know only the whole speaker. He is a man now. So what are you saying? Yes, Anna. In a sana ekobana. Now I didn't say Anna or modest casino. It is in the interest of Ghana. So say Ghana, if it's in the interest of Ghana, that's a speaker. Follow the procedures, not go against any of the standing order. I think the time now she said this. Just sit down.
Yes, call us no about so number 0557 079 077 and 0546 894340. Good afternoon. The show deal with Becca Free. Open it you, we're going.
Na ewimu ya kundu manutia western grand Mr. Doctor Ati weta dapo ene Doctor Peter Mayo kami kusemi manutia ya wama
Sele yema yecheche liyenyo shi
Can you support and so on? This is so friendly. Yes, I saw Coca Patch on the friendly. Only not say food ride and food. The advantage of friendly and on there.
I don't watch them so many years.
Some Mahama is tendency for Ghana. No, so Ghana for Mahama.
But we are the kind of what for Ghana. So what I say?
Right, never again. Never on that call. Good afternoon.
call us which the
radio look from power, man. Open it up here. Open it here and go ahead. Yamisha, good afternoon. You are shocked as a free, I did say. Udin, yes, say. Young queer him.
That's why I'm saying that. I find Papa your corporate hour down our agency. NPP outsourced that job. Then price I went before the weekend. You know, I'm the can't, and he's the can't. And before that, what do you want?
And I say, good afternoon.
Good
Maybe I shall okay, free. Open your case and create him. All right, AJ News. Yeah, that's a good afternoon. Hello. Maybe I shall Udin, maybe I can say free. Udin, maybe I can say free. On network, Nigeria, you can why. From a point, Udia also for Yankasa. Okay, that's free. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm creating with you. Opening, maybe I shall corner sign brand on network. Good afternoon.
afternoon, Abema.
Maybe I shall okay, say free. Udin say, what's the message?
Good morning, Casero.
Osbo, it's you and creating.
Hello.
Osbo, my show it's you, calling him.
Mate, made up Papa. The original minister, obviously, documenta. Honorable President Kutu, and a clear man back with that show. Now, I mean, I look at the book. When she is there, you don't go to you. You could not see the two election. Not any the former president. No one is someone popular because of women military background. If you don't hear anything, I'm going to take your part in the coalition. I'm going to take your part member, executive. And I'm going to former president, vice president, I call NDC. No one going to buy. And the man came in for where they are. Okay, NDC. Now, they want to snap at me, no one say. What you know, and your partner will go to any 1992 now. No, it's too much. Any people problem with that. Give you, put your young when you want to. So, you're born here, any people in the room. No one you need to straight what you need to grab a copper. Then another pupado. I'm not going to go over to Ghana. Or no, that's my you know, or what do we say? Okay, so we got to win that and then we won't go past here. What I say? You go up to you, go up. Yeah. What is our question? Don't be able to and the NPC now. It's long enough.
All right. All right. Yeah, that's a young fan of that one. Good afternoon. Okay, as a friend, you did this and I'm sure what's the message? Danny Yankwe. Daniel, me person you were free so someone on Yankwe. Me say me person you were free so back as we more the one entity and all the end of the way penny so someone on Yankwe. I tell what's the sound when you free so now. Yeah, that's it. Good afternoon. Maybe I showed him, but I can say free. Open it, you.
nyankopɔn nhyira no wayɛ ade papa na Mr. Mema for work ɛna bi bɛtɔ si dɛm nhyira no papa na ɔnabɔ na mepɛ sɛ meka no sɛ yɛwu sɛ sɛ na ama ɛyɛ activity for Ghana ɛnti sɛ Alfred Jacob aba bɛtɔ ase social commentator Alfred Jacob ɛwɔ for that hour ɛna waba bɛtɔ ase ɛna yɛwu sɛ no ɛwɔ yɛ side of NDC ɛna yɛwu sɛ kuo no nneɛma ɛkɔto no antena ma Ghana ɛna yɛwu sɛ no na ne kuka de yɛ so no ɛyɛ good ɛma ma Ghana nti sɛ adɛ sɛ ɔba bɛtɔ ayɛ no nti ɔsɛ na wɔn ka sɛ 20 years ansa na sɛ ne kɛtɛ no mama wapa kɛ bi asɛm bɛ na alaja bɛ president wopɛ yɛ president yɛ yɛ wo ka sɛ Ghana president wɔdi yɛ anso yɛ ba bɛ yɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ne kɛtɛ abato sata na wɔwɔ 20 years na mama na wɔwɔ ɛbi yɛ sɛ ɔka no ɔnka no biara no ma na ɛnkɔlɔ mu nka wɔpɛ mu ma no na wɔn da concert na mo yɛ
yɛda se ɔmɔgya concert ne good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Ọbẹni Udim bẹbẹ akasẹ fìyẹ kọ yẹn ni. Bẹbẹ ahyẹ yẹtí o yẹn kọ yẹ.
Bẹẹni ẹjẹ ní mu náà bá a dùn. Nansanso ní chair regional minister ọ̀nà bó kọ̀ bí ọ̀ṣẹ̀ dà wọ̀. Na ọ̀nà bó jẹ́ na àmọ́ àbí na okay. Brother, Alfred Jacobs ọlùkọ́ NDC nù wọ́n atwọ́ application náà ẹ̀ náà ọdún kọ́ NDC. Na sẹ̀sísẹ́ àwọn ewu dẹ̀ bẹ́bí wí sharp teeth. Wakasa woditia awon infuna why my party in was central region Sammy JP just small 31 years boy
Nancy party ne bia ne de no fama wo and minister there and another point on moving forward the dynamics is changing how it is in a book there is a or minister so you can't say that you have to
yɛrɛ wa se abuja ever course no nsia na fe yɛmra studio 1 minute na fe yɛ sorry but before then Plaza Tiles and Deco also pretas papa there de ba show ɛhɔ a nia wo de ba tu fie odem oba tiles if you the compound ni na Plaza Tiles and Deco omo ɛwɔ kwesimintim traffic light omo Plaza 2 building no mo omo eben Catholic church no in the 0206 210022 0206 210022 na ene mama do for any nkomo me pick the last call na fe we free so okay Pure Health Center Dr. Kankam aso o se ade ha wo bia fabra na won sama na on de o se se bia nyado cigarette no ensanwe adidie ani die ni na de ade ba enti mu bia wa bi da bia no utumi yare enti bra no sa yade misa atomenim enti baba de bia ne ko Pure Health Center Dr. Kankamo aseke na yade bia wo bia obesa ma wo ba so udru Christian Faith Junction ho a aseke a ena mo 0246 710 712 0246 710 712 last caller we producer am our chance yanko yenim within the circle of frame all right open yanko
what trouble some of people come up we come ku government was very happy she attended on a social group to one our very judging ma but people attacking me come on mama look at the push your phone you know why you but still people attack him what about you know why you which is one of the people to bless you because the mama put you know why you na ku fadu esi ko blogo jojomar mana wa elect wo wa elect di meka wa na ku fadu this is kidding that the man no wa you so no na what the say o fadu the take here if you let Ghana fall down there is no people but Ghanaians they don't know what is going on so my God save Ghana
yeah that's it Nyamin Shaw last caller good afternoon official Golden Herbal Center Dr. Sefo Asebra yade ben se bia yado utumi ebbo adwuma ba utumi ntutu a Golden Herbal Center omo de no mpem adwuma eni nkuda mia de omo a ekuro na tu na se mfie sen ya na di a fa ko Golden Herbal Center so ko to de no cap na ye free so se kase ni mu abu Golden Herbal Center yade aka bia diabetes bia ka ho bia fa ko na on sama takrade sawmill omo be rim c international school also friend 0244 852066 0244 852066 afa yenko Papa Ando mobile phone center Papa Ando mobile phone center ese yankan say o mobile phone no say na me ka kire mpanimfo ba ko na am say na eni abi me say nipa no kwasa say ohun phone so yi nti Google u prefer betim da Google no anya accurate information dia ba ha e phone free Papa Ando mobile phone also me kan say Huawei Itel say Samsung iPhone say phone ben out power nya bi e bia beto bia and accessories hands free ka ho battery ka ho bibia ka ho charger ka ho bibia ka ho the assassin crampo ama screen protector asa ma cover enso aka ho ti papa no mobile phone say kan say so phone papa pa to e wo takrade hade a agisa wo ba takrade old approach nkakra how na be hu papa no mobile phones and as a habo taxi station Stanbic Bank in echi habo taxi station or Stanbic Bank in echi and I be hu papa no mobile phone and accessories. Friend 0244 11 12 13 0244 11 12 13 na mobile phone papa wo pe e dia boduam na koyi ama wo no masa this papa no mobile phone center yeni mpanimfo emma 1 minute ni ko nemum last message Mr. Amwa, I heard one of the panelists saying the meaning of sycophant is deceitful. It is not correct. The meaning is a person who praises important or powerful people. Who praises important or powerful people to get something.
Sycophant.
Obi message no. Or say it means a person who praises important or powerful people to get something. That is his interpretation. His interpretation to sycophant. So if you have any contradiction or a contrast meaning, then you bring it on board. Mamem fa
if you wanna say my dad or never jam me say that for. Yeah that for.
Yeah for program me say any what na di kaba.
PS yeah me na was na me mo onu producer bas na me bra pan in fact many age
producers omo ye 3
producers
I don't break
me mo mama so
I don't break out 5
omo dos no the one day phone na account
o we now
na in fact me ne papa share many age na me share
Facebook ro ta ho sa DJ attractive
I say abenya me ne betna
case so that cameraman so check Facebook
omo papa
in fact many age abenya metumi natna the same platform na nka ye debate na nka bibia kwa nti me do asaba pa na nyame adoma da fiada ye nua be mama afsam waka enchine gu abere biane ye de isiso ye ti abeso no igado hwe ye nua be me ya communication na waye de aboa MPP enye asem ketwa nyame adoma da fiada ana ye 1 week e wo kwesimintin be omo eye omo ayiye no ye to nsafo bibia se ye nkona ye nkojama na entutue bia abusiafo edi begu no ye hwa na ye nkwa kwatena bibia na ye kona de ye kan se parliament e ho kwa ye kono se ye nkoni nkudi ago ye kona ye koye nhihye ya e de enioma paba e bebere oman Ghana because enye na nka minim se ukoduru ho na afre na no kan ye se me ko se me ko shemra ni mo man ka se mbe ya afofo ni se o so ko so kwa ko shemra na wadwene oman Ghana ho a mo oman Ghana na wakoma so na nkwa ese madu won ko ade mfie nan no ye fere aboa bi es gracia nti na kwa akwa ye nwi ya mpe bia na duwa mbokum na ye ni ayesoma wo no ya se da nya eso mfa so papa bia ana won so enkwa ye personal attack ye debate on issues developmental issues social issues ama mem ho beto me say ensu a mebu ni firi a me so me dey rade ase
ye ba ji hu
kan ye be gina enya ne agi na de ma dem different ne agi say your papa na ekwan papa me anu kuro kwa abere mi firi na me kwa me wo say mi firi wa ache na me ko ye na sesen aba say dan na school a ye pese abere ni abere nyina ye nya enough dormitories ye nya enough classrooms ye nya teacher for ni be chi om kayie na ye nso a ye public sector na ye nso ye botom bed na ye be fie na mi hyem nu a metuma chi ani ye
mafa ba konso so na takrade kromu kwanfon kwambone kwantan tan no omo hyemra be ni yi
na menkai ayi for urban rose for so so omo so ra mata krade traffic light ye wo mani me yi enfie nwotwe enye adwuma
yo
na omje bosu aka tua no omunye ni ye
two infantry for any bono na me call ho na what say gatem portals pa hey say before the bridge
woni ma de ma wiase da
bra
say highway for adwuma opa ma ya bo atemfa me nkrofo so ye kwa akwa eni ye e be ga say ye fere bi standard ni standard nti enya no sa na enya amana
yo
na mo mbe hu de na mo ka de atro e ban rules highway for no mo na etuatua na no na standard ni bi
na no say bom menam na sisi na ka say gie na nyame atua ka
menye man nua no to
opa ni ko so ni anko koso ni anko ye jama janko so sa ti do ka say anopa ye be ko kwan so
me de ikakra me kan say they say petition no the parliament assume because the banking sector crisis and the clean up no e the normal bebre na aba nkofu bebre ashiro mo ejuma depositors so aye nsem bebre ntim pa ya mebo an say after the 1 week program number you know omuntu me fa find this ebeba ye be hu the actual picture and the truth in the banking sector na aboama etima tutu noma na Ghana ni biara eni age na ejuma efo ni insa komo ejuma na depositors so omusa komo ejuma na omuso
pesi ambe de ndel mbobu bew e be mute mbobu bi ye gwe ke
obaba biem
ode
renowned
sa if abodom yerefo nyankwa na itu obokanka ne hu abo ano sa if abodom yerefo nyankwa na itu obokanka ne hu wo abo ano
on fa de bi amafi
inti wani bodom yerefo
wo
na wani pobwa e kaka
all right you first that
we michia anti bibi our Eagle Foundation awoti bakano na michia abufa national service okay boss na michia bai no na minyako bai no to be you but otawo vacation mo muzomi no ngono Jomi no muton Jomi papa na la from
77
na mtamu for
200
800 the prezo ni bi ata so wo fi mama de baba 0277 200 800 0288 200 800
oye ho na
544
222 800
okay
all right kabusa yanko yeah sorry ya fa DJ this time be but Facebook message back ho I say yeah dey emma wo what kai ababa yemfa message ni mana fe yenhwe nia ye be I say I'm doing the listening intercredit pensa intercredit sector. I always say that when the devil uses his right hand to give you something, he will use all means to get his gift with the left hand. We will not succumb to their deceitful and Kwekwanas's tactics. Promise again. Okay, Kwekwanas's tactics and promise again. I was saying sorry. And then Facebook, Mahmoud Oshaya, Damase Dominic Tufo, Larry, Desmond White, Omag Misupa, Osei George Gladys, Enin, Enchimachi, Eric, Ampon, Godfred, Kwashiga, Ezra, Enafe, Kono, Endes. I was saying, we did one here, PSC. Me sorry. And then she type for the Dawson from DJ Nkoso to Papa Mr. K to DJ Vesa Okodaka Krafeno as a yellow tablet. These are attractive. And on my Facebook online I come up and I say your Zeno Radio, Modern Ghana, my tune in and a Facebook, Nina a Cheers 90.7 FM. Me didn't do any more PC. Me sorry, not DJ Vesa to us. Yami Aduma, a chance, you say share.
Ladies and gentlemen.